In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use buttons in Notion. This powerful tool can greatly simplify your workflow, making your Notion experience even more efficient and enjoyable. Whether you're creating new pages or running multiple actions in sequence, understanding how to use buttons effectively will elevate your productivity. Let's begin by exploring how you can create new pages with the click of a button. In Notion, creating a new page manually might take a few steps, but with a button, it becomes almost instant. By setting up a button specifically for new page creation, you can standardize the format, structure, and even pre-fill some information to minimize repetitive tasks. Consider it your shortcut to consistency and efficiency, ensuring you always start off on the right foot. Next up, adding database records. Buttons can streamline the process of adding records to your databases. Instead of manually keying in each entry, a button can automate this process, saving you valuable time. Whether you're adding new clients to a CRM or jotting down ideas in a project list, a well-configured button makes the job effortless. Simply click and watch as the record appears exactly where you need it. Now on to editing page properties. This might sound complex, but with buttons, making adjustments to properties is straightforward and systematic. Use a button to quickly switch between different property configurations, allowing for dynamic changes to your pages without diving into each property individually. It gives you the capability to maintain consistency while adapting to specific project needs with ease. Inserting predefined content is another area where buttons shine. A button can be your go-to tool for pulling in text, templates, or even media that you use frequently. Imagine having all your standard disclaimers, checklists, or intro sections a click away. This is particularly helpful for bloggers, content creators, or anybody who finds themselves repeatedly entering the same information across different parts of Notion. Opening specific pages is simplified with buttons too. Instead of navigating through various tabs and sections, a button can transport you to the exact page you need with no fuss. This can be a significant time saver, especially if you have a complex Notion setup. Whether you're hopping into a project page or checking your daily agenda, the journey becomes a single, satisfying click. Duplicating templates is made easier through the use of buttons as well. By harnessing this feature, you can quickly propagate the same structure across multiple areas of your workflow without replicating them manually. It's perfect for project templates, meeting notes, or any recurring process in your routine. Finally, let's tackle running multiple actions sequentially. With the right button configuration, you can execute a series of tasks one after another seamlessly. This enables you to chain actions together, like updating statuses, sending reminders, or logging activities, all from a single click, thereby reducing the cognitive load of keeping track of each individual task. In conclusion, mastering buttons in Notion can transform how you manage tasks and organize your digital workspace. They are not just shortcuts, but powerful tools that enhance productivity by automating routine processes and maintaining consistency. As you explore these options, take the time to set up buttons that reflect your unique workflow needs. I hope this guide helps you unlock even more potential in Notion. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.